Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video Learn Tenses Free with 100% guarantee, and I give you guarantee that once you will be watching all my videos on tenses, you will become master of tenses. So today we will be doing present continuous tense. I have already made an introductory video on tenses. I have also made a video on present indefinite tense, and that has been posted. This is my third video on tenses, and after this I will be making a video on present perfect tense. So before I start my video, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you may receive my upcoming videos. So today we will be doing present continuous tense. We will be doing present continuous positive sentences. First of all, whenever an Urdu sentence come in front of you and you are asked to translate it from Urdu to English, बहुत गौर से सेंटेंस को पढ़िए. अगर उसके आखिर में है हो आ रहा है तो you should be sure that this is my present tense. Now you have to recognize whether it is present indefinite, continuous, perfect or perfect continuous tense. Next thing you have to see is अगर उसके साथ रहा है, रही है, रहा हूँ, रहे हैं, आ रहा है, तो you should be sure that this is present continuous tense. Means something is continuing. ठीक है? So at the moment मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, so this is present continuous tense. In this sentence he is writing a letter. वो खत लिख रहा है. The task is continued. So let me tell you the rule. Rule is very simple in positive sentences. You use subject plus is MR plus first form of verb ing, that is present participle. So in above sentence, he is subject, is helping verb, writing is verb which is present participle verb, and a letter is object. So very simple, is MR, first form of verb ing. Let's look into example. He is writing a letter. He is subject, is writing is main verb, is helping verb, a letter is your object. So here the verb is first form of verb plus ing, that is present participle, helping verb is MR. So let's look into the sentences. मैं खत लिख रहा हूँ, I am writing a letter. तुम खत लिख रहे हो, you are writing a letter. They are तो वो खत लिख रहे हैं, they are writing a letter. So let's move on to now negative sentences. We are done with the positive sentences. Present continuous negative sentences. वो खत नहीं लिख रहा है. Negative sentences are the sentences in which something is not being done. वो खत नहीं लिख रहा है. He is not writing a letter. Simply not is added in continuous sentences. The rule is subject plus helping verb is MR plus not plus first form of verb plus ing, that is present participle. He is not writing a letter. He is subject, is helping verb, writing is main verb, and letter is object. So the verb is first form of verb plus ing, that is present participle. Helping verb is MR, and we will be adding not because this is negative sentence. मैं खत नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. I'm not writing a letter. तुम खत नहीं लिख रहे हो. You are not writing a letter. वो खत नहीं लिख रहे हैं. They are not writing a letter. अहमद और अली खत नहीं लिख रहे हैं. Ahmed and Ali are not writing a letter. That's all. So let's move on to next page where we will be looking into how to make interrogative or present continuous tense. Interrogative mean to make a question. क्या वो खत लिख रहा है? Is he writing a letter? So we will be taking the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence before subject, and that's how the sentence will be made. So let's look into the rule. Is MR helping verb plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing. Is he writing a letter? Is helping verb, he is subject, writing is present participle verb, letter is object. Very simple. So let's look into few examples. क्या मैं खत लिख रहा हूँ? Am I writing a letter? क्या तुम खत लिख रहे हो? Are you writing a letter? क्या वो खत लिख रहे हैं? Are they writing a letter? क्या अहमद और अली खत लिख रहे हैं? Are Ahmad and Ali writing a letter? That's all. So that's all about present continuous tense. We are done with present sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. And if you liked my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos. And my next video will be about present perfect tense.